You Coffee, where we will explore together interesting stories from the deep ocean. Today, prepare for a dramatic adventure where we will follow step by step the process of catching, processing, and processing tons of octopus every day at a modern factory. Let's start the journey right away. When mentioning the ocean, it is impossible not to mention the mysterious and attractive creature like octopus. Not only a delicious dish, octopus is also considered the blue gold of the ocean, bringing great economic value to coastal countries. The global demand for octopus is growing rapidly, with the market expected to reach $4.88 billion by 2025 and an annual growth rate of about 6.7% starting in 2020. The global octopus consumption is estimated at about 700,000 tons per year. In the US, consumers spend about $50 million on octopus annually, while Japan consumes more than 60,000 tons per year, mainly in traditional dishes. The price of octopus can range from $10 to $30 per kilogram, depending on the time. So, what is it about octopus that makes it so economically valuable? Let's explore how fishermen catch and process octopus at the factory. Now, let's explore the exciting journey of fishermen as they prepare for a challenging octopus hunting trip. It all starts with observing the weather. Calm seas are the ideal time to go out to sea. Before setting off, fishermen must carefully check everything from the boat's engine to fishing tools such as nets and octopus traps. Everything is ready, and now it's time for the boat to go out to sea to catch octopus. In the past, fishermen often had to dive directly to the bottom of the sea to hunt for octopus. They looked for octopuses hiding under rocks, using their bare hands or rudimentary tools to catch them. This is a laborious method and requires flexibility, but it brings proud results to fishermen. Nowadays, this method has gradually been replaced by more modern fishing methods such as setting traps or using nets. The most popular modern method is setting octopus traps. These traps are usually made of iron or plastic with a special structure to attract octopuses to enter and not be able to escape. The traps must be set carefully at the right time and in the right location on the seabed, where octopuses often live. Finally, after hours of patient waiting, when the traps and nets are pulled up, the fresh octopuses struggle in the morning sunlight. This is the moment that marks the result of a day of hard work, opening the journey from the ocean to your table with all the sophistication and talent of experienced fishermen. Octopuses just caught from the ocean will begin their new journey at the factory. Here, advanced technology and a closed process ensure that from the moment they leave the sea until they become finished products, everything is strictly controlled. At the factory, the octopus will be processed by an advanced automatic conveyor system where every step is carried out precisely and safely. The first step is cleaning, a seemingly simple process but plays a key role. Here, the octopus will be thoroughly washed with cold water, a process that not only removes impurities such as sand and mud, but also helps the octopus retain its natural freshness. The whole process is quick but no less careful, ensuring that each octopus meets the highest standards before entering the next processing stage. After being cleaned and processed, the octopus will enter the boiling stage, an important step in the processing to retain its characteristic flavor and natural sweetness. Large boiling pots with strict temperature control systems will ensure that the octopus is cooked evenly, not too soft, but still retains the right amount of chewiness. Once the octopus is perfectly boiled, it will be quickly cooled to preserve its freshness and wonderful flavor. After the cooling step, they will enter the final important stage, packaging. Here, the octopus will be packaged in many different forms, from whole to cut into pieces, depending on the needs and preferences of consumers. Each product package undergoes a thorough inspection process to ensure not only aesthetics, but also meets the highest quality standards. This is the decisive step in the journey of Octopus from the sea to the consumer, ensuring that each product is of the best quality. Once completed, these octopuses will be transported to supermarkets, stores, and finally to your dining table. These vehicles not only keep the octopus fresh, but also ensure food safety throughout the journey to the point of sale. Now, in supermarkets, octopus images are displayed eye-catchingly at seafood counters, attracting customers' attention with their vibrant colors and superior quality. With its unique flavor and high nutritional value, octopus has become a favorite choice of many people in their daily meals. From crispy grilled octopus to attractive octopus salad, all are displayed eye-catchingly. This brings a unique culinary experience to the family. Octopus is not only the main ingredient for many delicious dishes, but also brings great nutritional value. High in protein, octopus is the perfect choice for a healthy diet. It provides a large amount of omega-3, which helps strengthen cardiovascular health and improve brain function. In addition, octopus is also rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B12, iron, and selenium, supporting the immune system and overall health. Add octopus to your family's daily meals to enjoy great nutritional benefits. That's an overview of the process of catching and processing octopus at the factory. A truly interesting and meaningful journey. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and see you again.